Hi, in this short demo we'll show how Semux reverse execution lets you both repeat any scenario arbitrarily many times with perfect precision, but also actually go back and change the past. We start by opening a checkpoint of a previously booted Intel-based dual-core machine with WinRiver Linux 5. And it's up, and we have the serial console target here. We can see that I started this machine about 11 target minutes ago, and I made some comments as I went along. Let's enable reverse execution, and let's start doing things on the target. So let's look what's on this machine. We have a binary directory, and you could always imagine somebody doing something stupid like this. And once I've done that, the target machine is actually a bit broken because I've removed all the commands from it. So what do? Well, with Semux it's pretty obvious, right? You just reverse it. And as you press reverse, we're going to go back in time and undo each of the things I did, including the actual remove. So this actually touches both the memory and processors of the system, but also the disk. This thing covers the entire system state. It's not just the processor or memory. And here we see the remove command being removed, and now we're back where we started. So if we stop here and go forward again, you will see everything I did being repeated, including all the mistypings, the exact timing of all my keystrokes, because if you want to reproduce the same scenario, you really want to reproduce everything. It's not just an idealized view of things, it's actually exactly how things happened. Okay, and what happens if we roll back again? Well, we're going to see the exact same thing. We're going to roll back the same scenario, we're going to redo the same scenario, which for obvious reasons is very, very helpful when you want to diagnose and reproduce and debug a certain issue. But we can do more than that. If we stop this process and just jump back to where we started, to this bookmark that was automatically put as start of execution, boom, okay, this is before I did that ls command, and this is before I did that remove command. So at this point, if I now run forward, guess what? We're going to see the same things happen again. So let's not do that. Let's stop it, go back to the bookmark, and instead of doing the same thing, we're actually going to discard the future. So now we jump back about 4 seconds in target time and just said, no, let's forget all this stupid remove bin stuff. And if we now run the target, nothing happens. I have the freedom to do new things. So I could go and I can do ls bin, but I can mistype it in entirely new ways. And it's still there because now I'm back to the state the system was before. And if I do an rm-rf bin, I can decide not to do that because this is no longer a recorded execution. This is a completely new one where I can do entirely new things. We can pause, and if I want to, I can go back again, and if I replay this scenario, guess what? It's a new set of commands that I just showed that's going to be repeated, not the original one. So this way we can see that you can perfectly repeat anything, but you can also go back, change your mind, and try something else using reverse execution. Thank you.